Are you tired of seeing that old test community cluttering your Whop dashboard? Learn how to permanently delete it in under 2 minutes. First, log into your account and navigate to the community. Then follow these simple steps to remove it for good. Start by logging into your Whop account. Then, click on your business and select the community you want to delete. Now, click on the 3 dots menu. Then click on Delete App, and be sure to read the warning carefully. Go ahead and click Delete App to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully deleted the community. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.